Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make oats kheer. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need 1/2 cup of rolled oats, 2 cups of milk, and 1/4 cup of sugar. Don't forget a pinch of cardamom powder for flavor. Also, have a tablespoon of ghee and some chopped nuts ready for garnish. These simple items are all you need to begin this delicious dessert. Now, let's get cooking. Heat 1 tablespoon of ghee in a pan over medium heat. Add your 1/2 cup of rolled oats and roast them for about 2 minutes until they become fragrant. This step enhances their flavor and texture. Next, pour in the 2 cups of milk and bring the mixture to a gentle boil. Reduce the heat and let it simmer for 5 to 7 minutes, stirring occasionally until the oats are tender. Once the oats are soft, it's time to add the sweetness and aroma. Stir in the 1/4 cup of sugar until it completely dissolves into the kheer. Then, sprinkle in a pinch of cardamom powder. This spice is key to authentic kheer flavor. Continue to cook the mixture for about 2 more minutes, allowing all the flavors to meld beautifully. The kheer will thicken slightly as it cools. Finally, the finishing touches. Garnish your delicious oats kheer with your favorite chopped nuts, such as almonds or pistachios, for added crunch and presentation. You can enjoy this delightful dessert warm or chill it in the refrigerator for a refreshing cold treat. It's a versatile and healthy option for any time of day. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to a book that can truly change how you think about money, as well as other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.